Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 10, 2015, and today is Tuesday. So looking at the economic calendar, not much going on today. So we are poised for a slower day in the economic sectors. But looking at the graphs, let's start with the EURUSD. EURUSD further tanking, going down to 1.07972. And like I said, this is a range where I might feel comfortable actually picking some up. The velocity of it being so oversold, okay, of the euro, and hitting what was previous resistance, then formidable support, and then previous resistance, and then previous support. So there's a little bit of a neckline at this stage. So I would really consider maybe buying a little bit, and then easing into a position. But remember, you need to put in stop losses, especially below 106 and a half, 106 might be a very good place to put a stop loss. Looking at a monthly chart here, you don't even see one single up bar for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. So this is 9 months of a sell-off of a major currency. This is a major deal, and I've said this before. So I would really consider looking to buying it on the dips, and trying to grab myself in to pick up that bounce. It's going to be a very hard bounce as well. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, just breaking out higher. We're at 121. And this was a great trade yesterday. I discussed this yesterday. You could have made this little nice pop-up. It looks like we're consolidating here. I may consider to still pop up above, but I'd still keep an eye on the USD Japanese yen. Looking at the USD ZAR, we discussed this yesterday. This big rally last week, and then it continues going. Okay, so we're at 1220. I don't believe in history that the rand has been this weak, okay, besides 2002. So this depreciation really is reflecting with what's going on with the gold. So you see that you have previous resistance. I don't know if this is anywhere it's relevant anymore. I mean, it's 13 years ago, excuse me, where we hit these levels. So I'd really like to see whether or not we will hit this level, okay, and try to pick it up maybe at its retracements. So that's what I would do there. Looking at the Dow Jones, we discussed this yesterday. We had this big sell-off on Friday, and then what did I tell you? I said it's gonna be a really rocky month. It's going to be very volatile, and you'll see that there'll be extreme moves on both sides. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. We had a 200-point up move yesterday, making grounds of what we lost from last week. And I would still say that we could hit 18,500, 18,400 sometime soon in the next month or two. So that could definitely be something that we can see pop up in the Dow Jones. And like I said again, looking at the oil, we're pretty much flatlining here at $49 a barrel. Not much going on, and I think that's it for today. I think you're going to have to really keep an eye on what's going on in the markets and try to look for opportunities. But it's going to be somewhat of a choppy day today, I believe, with the lack of some news coming out. We'll have some more news coming out later in the week. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish everyone a great trade.